Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to talk about something that is crucial for the future of supply chains, especially in rural areas: sustainability. Our topic is sustainable supply chains for rural distribution, and we'll be focusing on how to build an efficient and environmentally friendly supply chain systems. So, why does this matter? Rural areas often face logistical challenges like poor infrastructure, high transportation costs, and environmental concerns. By adopting sustainable solutions, we can improve efficiency while protecting our planet. So, let's dive in. So, now I'm going to talk about the challenges in rural distributions. So, first is the infrastructure limitations. Many rural areas lack proper roads, storage facilities, and reliable electricity, making transportation and warehousing difficult. High logistics costs. Because rural communities are spread out, deliveries take longer and costs more, making it harder for business to be profitable. Then is environmental impact. Most rural supply chains rely on fossil fuels, leading to high carbon emissions, plus waste from packaging and improper disposal adds to the problem. Then, limited digital and technological adoption. Technology like time lacking, tracking, and smart inventory management is still underutilized, leading to inefficiency and delays. Solutions for sustainable and efficient supply chains. Now that we've identified the challenges, let's look at how we can make supply chains more efficient and eco friendly. So, number one is green logistics and sustainable transportation. So, it is switching to electric or biofuel powered vehicles can significantly cut emissions using AI to optimize routes and can save fuel and reduce delivery costs. For last mile delivery, bicycles and drones can be game changers in rural areas. Next is renewable energy integration. One major issue in rural areas is unreliable electricity, but we can solve this by using solar powered cold storage and decentralized renewable energy sources for warehouses. This reduces dependency on fossil fuels and ensures that perishable goods like food and medicine are stored properly. Next is digitization and smart technologies. Digital tools like AI powered inventory management, LOT tracking, and blockchain for transparency can improve efficiency while reducing waste. With real time tracking, businesses can monitor shipments, predict demand, and optimize supply chains, savings both money and resources. Next is collaborative and shared logistics models. Instead of every company running its own costly delivery system, businesses can share warehouses and transportation networks to cut down costs and emissions. Local businesses and cooperatives can also elaborate, ensuring products reach customer faster and more sustainably. Next is future trends in sustainable rural distribution, AI and automation in logistics, circular economy expansion, localized production with 3D printing, and government policy support. And next, we come to the conclusion. To wrap things up, here are the key takeaways for today's presentation. Sustainable rural supply chains improve efficiency, reduce costs, and protect the environment. Green logistics, renewable energy, and digitizations are key to solving rural distribution challenges. Successful companies like Amul, Zipline, and Unilever show that sustainability is both practical and profitable. The future is moving towards AI automation and circular economy practices. Now, what we can do? Here are some steps we can take today. Encourage business to adopt eco-friendly supply chain practices. Then, invest in technology and renewable energy solutions. Next is support policies and initiatives that promotes green logistics. Next is educate and train local communities on sustainable distribution models.